Hi, foodies! Do you know what? Everything that we do in the cooking department has a solution. So if you make a mistake, you can have a solution to fix things. Okay? So today what I'm going to do is I'm making one of Chef Bede's one-pan stir fries. Okay? So I'm going to use today, and here I have some of this beautiful, delicious looking already chicken breast, and I'm going to get it in the pan, and we're going to get this browned off, first off, and then we are going to, once we get this browned off, then we are going to continue with our veggies and our stir fry. And today I'm going to use some yakisoba noodles, and you can hear I have my pan really hot, and I'm cutting up this chicken breast into nice pieces so we get some, everybody gets some pieces. And for us it's just two, so I'm using half a chicken breast today, maybe about one, close to 1.5. Maybe.
So this is the magical stir-fry meal.
This could be a magical stir-fry meal if you like it. Yes, absolutely, Anthony. So this is part of our magical stir-fry, and you can see that chicken is going pretty good over there. So what we're going to do is get our spoon in here, get these pieces, so we can, and I put just a little olive oil. Now later, as I go through this, later I am going to finish it off with a little of what they call sesame oil, which is like a finishing oil. Now I think I want just a little bit here of...
oh, can you show me that again? I didn't see the sesame oil.
Oh, sesame oil. Okay, sesame oil looks like this. It's
wait,
beautifully processed. It's toasted sesame seeds, and that gives me some beautiful color. Kind of like your soy sauce here. All right, now I'm going to add a little soy sauce with this chicken so we give it a little flavor. All right? Because I'm doing a stir fry today. So now the soy sauce has lots of things in it. And then what I want to do is get this going. We're going to get this, and then I'm going to flip them over so we can get them all into our sauce. Just like this. Doesn't take long to cook chicken breast, so you don't want to overcook it because it's going to go back in when we mix everything together, okay? And then while that's finishing up, I want to show you what I have here in already cooked the yakisoba noodles right here. And this is yakisoba noodles. See how nice they are? And these are going to go in our dish at the end, and we're going to mix everything together. All beautiful and nice, okay? All right, so there we go. Our chicken can use just a little more here and a little more there. And I'm not adding any salt because soy sauce has salt, right, everybody? Soy sauce has salt, so I'm not adding any salt today. Okay. Get that out of the way. Put my other pan over here, which makes it easier. Okay.
Look at that bubbling.
All right. So what I'm going to do is take this chicken, and I'm not cooking any more chicken. I just want it to get a little color and then get it out into this pan, and we'll put this back on the heat, and we'll hold soy sauce and all on our little chicken pieces. And I'm going to hold this over here on the stove. All righty, because that's going to go back in. Now, what I want to do is cut some onion. We're going to cut up some onion as soon as I get my knife here, and we're just going to cut it right up. Just like this, and get it right in the hot pan, since it still has that soy sauce and everything in there. And you can hear it sizzling. I'm going to add a little more olive oil, just a little bit, maybe a tablespoon there. That's enough. And let's cut this half. And let's get these in here. Okay, there we go. Now, you can add bell peppers. I have some veggies here from the other day that I made. And I have some mixed veggies and some carrots and things. And I'm going to add those all in so I don't throw anything out in our house. I use it all in the stir fries. Okay, now if Anthony backs up a little, I'm going to get my container that has here some bell peppers. And we're going to add a little bell peppers in with this so we get some more peppers. And look at these peppers. This is just a beautiful color. That one's orange. This one's yellow. And we have red, and we're going to just cut these up and add them right in with those onions. But first I'm going to rinse them off, just like this. Okay, and then let's get these cut. And I'll cut them in thin strips so everything cooks, and we'll get them in there with our onion. Now remember, a stir fry is whatever you like. You can use snap peas, you can use squash, you can use whatever you want. I tend to use what I have in the refrigerator, and it always makes it nice. You can add some mushrooms in here if you like, if you got them. And what we're going to do is get these going good here, like this. It smells like onions and peppers now in here. So if I was making peppers and onions, I'd put more peppers, more onions, and we would have poke rolls, and we'd make Italian peppers and onions, and sausages. I'd put sausages in for cooking. All right, so here we go. We're going to get these cooked up, and when we come back, we're going to continue on with the process of making our vegetable stir fry with chicken today. And here's our chicken that we cooked off at the beginning, our chicken breast, all ready to go. We're going to put him right here so we don't forget him. And then we're going to go in at the end with a little sesame oil. And I'm going to give it a little more of this before we go. Low sodium soy sauce. You can use teriyaki if you like, or make your own. And then towards the end, I'm going to make my own sauce with a little brown sugar, a little ginger, and a little 5-spice. Chinese 5-spice, okay? So Google that if you don't know what it is. It has cinnamon, it has ginger, it has, oh my God, all kinds of good things in there. Licorice, it's just, that's your secret Chinese spice, okay? All right, so we'll see you all when we come back, and we will continue to put this together so you guys will see a beautiful stir fry today here at Carpizza's Kitchen. Remember, everything we do has a solution. If you have extra veggies in your refrigerator, what you need to do is cook them up. If you have somebody with a dietary needs, they need special types of things, you need to cook for them that way. They might have cancer, they might be diabetic, they could be whatever, but you'll have to get that information from your doctors. They'll have it on a sheet to do a particular diet. So I'm just doing very light, very low-cal stir fries with protein. In this case, we're using the chicken breast. So there you have it. This is Peter Carpizos. We'll see you back shortly, and we'll put this all together. Pete out.